Hello? Do you have any candy?
I eat flesh.
Hi guys, back again to show another weekend project. This actually took 3 whole days to complete, but it was fun. I decided to do something for the Halloween season and just throw my little contribution in there. So I decided to make a pumpkin head because, pumpkins are fun. They could be cute and menacing. I think I wanted my pumpkin to be more on the scary, demented side, and unfortunately he came out a little too cute for my liking. Maybe I should have made the eyes a little bit more hollow. Who knows? Started off with aluminum foil in the center and then wrapped polymer clay around it, and I was able to sculpt out the divots using my silicone tool. Now I'm just carving out the mouth with an XL blade. Unfortunately, I didn't build up the proportions enough, so as I was digging it out, I was starting to see some aluminum foil in the middle, but this wasn't going to be a movable head kind of doll, so I wasn't bothering to remove the foil after I baked it, so it was okay. And I'm kind of having trouble recording audio today, so I thought to save myself some trouble, I can go in detail on how I made this and other dolls at a later date. Instead, I thought I could share the story of Pumpkinhead since I had time today and decided to make one up. So here it goes. So Pumpkinhead is a boy named Billy who was playing with his friends at a wild pumpkin patch on the edge of town. They were playing around and running when Billy fell over a tool that was left out and fell into this great big pumpkin. Everyone stood around, laughed at him, and tried to remove the pumpkin off his head. Eventually, the children realized that it was stuck and tried to help Billy remove the pumpkin off his head. But every time they pulled, Billy would yell and thrash on the ground. Eventually, they went into town and got Billy's parents. But Billy's parents didn't believe a word they said. They told them, "Bring Billy back inside. It's time for dinner." Well, the kids went back and helped Billy home. And all Billy's mother could do was scream when she saw that the pumpkin, in fact, could not be removed from Billy's head. Every time Billy's dad tried to pull the pumpkin off of Billy's head, Billy would scream, "Stop! You're hurting me!" Eventually, a small drop of blood fell from Billy's neck. It seemed the pumpkin liked Billy's head and wanted to remain. That day was the last day the kids saw Billy in the daytime. He only came out at night, outside their window, asking them if they wanted to play in the wild pumpkin patch. No one ever dared go with him, though. Even though sometimes the voice that came out of the decaying pumpkin sounded like Billy, other times that voice sounded much older and much deeper. As Billy's once brown, full eyes, now sickly, pale yellow, stared back at them from a rotting head. Well, that was the story. Let me know what you think. It's very rough, very, very rough for draft. But the revised and much cleaner version will be on my website. Thanks for watching and enjoy the rest of the video.